Hi friends, welcome to Frank's Monster Garage. Let's go find some monster trucks. Whoa, check it out. It's Carbonator. Wow. Whoa, it's Bigfoot. Who else can we find? Oh my, it's Shark Creek. El Toro Loco. Whoa, it's Snakebite. Oh no, this one's upside down. It's Monster Mud. Whoa, who's that? It's Loco Punk. Wow, it's Oscar Mayer Hot Dog. Whoa, Horsepower. Oh no, it's Dragonoid. We'll trash it all. Check it out. We'll trash it all. Whoa, who's this? It's Bowser. Oh my goodness. It's Racing Stripes. It's too cool. It's too school. Whoa, look at this purple one. It's Jurassic Attack. Check out this yellow one. It's Earthshaker. Oh no, Earthshaker fell down. Wow, look at this muddy looking one. It's Jeep Wrangler. Oh my goodness, it's Wolf's Head. That's so cool. Oh no, who's stuck by the tree? It's Demo Derby. Whoa, who's the blue one there that has fire? It's Hot Wheels Delivery. It's Dairy Delivery. So cool. My goodness, there's a monster truck that has pink tires. So bright and flashy. It's pure muscle. Wow. Let's pick these monster trucks up and put them in the bin. Come here, Dairy Delivery. Demo Derby, get in the bin. Let's go. Wolf's Head, come here. Oh wow, look at Jeep. Careful, don't want to get too muddy. Earthshaker, why'd you fall down? That's so silly. Watch out for the dinosaur over here, you guys. Jurassic Attack, let's go. Whoa, this cool pink school bus. Too school is to get in the bin. Racing Stripes, I see you. My goodness, Bowser, the Mario Brothers are gonna get you one day. We'll trash it all. Did you finish picking up all the trash today? Good job. Dragonoid, can you show us how to breathe fire? Whoa, watch out guys. Horsepower looks like he's on fire. Dragonoid, why'd you do that? That's silly. Anybody care for a hot dog? Yum, yum, yum. Choo choo! It's Loco Punk. Watch out, guys. Monster Mutt Dalmatian might give you some sloppy kisses. Whoa! It's snake bite. Watch out for that snake bite. El Toro Loco, you look so cool. Shark Creek, oh my goodness. Bigfoot, come over here. Guys, we finally found Bigfoot in the woods. Carbonator, hurry up, Carbonator, get in the bin. Wow. Look at that pile of monster trucks. Let's see how many we found. There's Carbonator, Loco Punk, Oscar Mayer hot dog, snake bite, Bigfoot, Dragonoid, Shark Creek, We'll Trash It All, Horsepower, Demo Derby, Racing Stripes, El Toro Loco, Jurassic Attack, Monster Mutt Dalmatian, Bowser, Wolf's Head, Earthshaker, Two School, Pure Muscle, Hot Wheels Dairy Delivery, and Jeep Wrangler. How many did we find? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. We found 21 monster trucks. That's a lot of monster trucks. See you next time, friends.